What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video, we're going to be installing the RetraxONE XR bed cover on a Ford Maverick. Inside this box is the RetraxONE XR bed cover, and today we're going to be checking it out and getting installed on this Ford Maverick. This bed cover features a low-profile design that was engineered to maximize cargo space below and above the cover. Why would you need to worry about maximizing cargo capacity above the cover, you may ask? For most bed covers on the market, you wouldn't, but the RetraxONE XR features T-slots along the rails on the cover, known as the Trax rail system, to utilize your favorite T-slot accessories from top brands such as Yakima, Thule, Rhino-Rack, and any other brand that may utilize a similar mounting system. This system is perfect for the outdoor enthusiast, as you can mount bike racks, tents, additional gear, or anything else you may need on top of the bed cover while maintaining a fully dry cargo area for everything else you may need. This accessory mounting system is nice, but it isn't the only great thing about this bed cover. As we stated earlier, the RetraxONE XR utilizes a low profile design throughout, including the front cover, which sits flush with the bed cover itself, giving it a streamlined appearance, and it also provides a firm, dependable, watertight seal. To keep the streamlined design language going, the entire bed cover is made from a single sheet of polycarbonate to eliminate any joints or hinges found in traditional bed covers. This isn't just a good looking cover either. Thanks to the sealed ball bearing rollers mounted to the aluminum support beams, the RetraxONE XR can open and close effortlessly with no moving parts to jam, freeze, or fail. This might just be the ultimate Maverick bed cover. So let's hop in the shop, get it installed, and then check it out. Start by removing the plastic spiral tubes inside the canister. Unscrew and remove the plastic bracket. Be sure to keep one of them, as it will be used for measurements. Line up both of the rails to the canister. Now line up the screw holes on the rails in the canister. Slide the cover onto the canister. Use the supplied Allen key to attach the cover. You can now place the assembled bed cover onto the truck bed. You will want to grab another person for this step. Using that plastic bracket you saved, line up the end of the rails to the tailgate. Attach the clamps between the leveling screws on both sides, front and back. Pull out the bed cover and remove the protective plastic film. Measure the length across the bed to ensure proper spacing. You will do this 3 times, once at the base of the canister, the middle of the bed, and by the end of the tailgate. Turning the white adjustment screws will move the rails. One turn is 1/16 of an inch. Adjust the position of the rails so that the length is consistent the whole way. You can now install the drain tubes. Pro tip, if you remove the factory rubber grommet, cut an X in it, and the tube will slide through and seal like factory. All right guys, there you have it. We just installed the RetraxONE XR bed cover here on this Ford Maverick. If you guys are interested in picking up one for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link for that in the description below. If you guys like this video, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked so you don't miss any of the Maverick content. And if you got a comment for us, drop it below. Thanks for watching.